Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of a tiny seed with mighty benefits, flaxseed. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries for their health-promoting properties. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down why this tiny seed deserves a spot on your plate. Flaxseed is in a league of its own, absolutely bursting with essential nutrients that your body will thank you for. Let's start with the rock stars, omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed is packed with them, particularly a type called ALA, which has been linked to a healthy heart and brain. Flaxseed is also an amazing source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which basically means it's a superhero for your gut health. Next up, lignans. These are powerful antioxidants found in plants, and guess what? Flaxseed is one of the richest sources. And let's not forget about protein, a crucial nutrient for building and repairing tissues. Flaxseed is a great plant-based protein source, making it a perfect addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. So yeah, flaxseed is kind of a big deal in the nutrition world. Now let's dive into the exciting part, the incredible health benefits of incorporating flaxseed into your diet. First up, let's talk about heart health. Remember those omega-3 fatty acids we talked about? They play a crucial role in reducing bad cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Next, let's move on to digestion. With its impressive fiber content, flaxseed is a digestive superstar. It promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and keeps your gut happy and healthy. But wait, there's more. Flaxseed is also a beauty booster. The omega-3s and antioxidants work their magic to promote healthy skin and hair. And for those of you watching your weight, listen up. Flaxseed can be your new best friend. The fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings and overeating. Finally, flaxseed has potent anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce inflammation throughout your body. Okay, so now that you know all about the incredible benefits of flaxseed, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your daily life. Let's start with the most common ground flaxseed. This is basically just flaxseed that has been ground into a meal, making it easier to digest and absorb its nutrients. You can easily find it at most grocery stores. Ground flaxseed is incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle it on your cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal in the morning for a nutritional boost. Mix it into smoothies, soups, or sauces for a hidden dose of healthiness. Next up, we have flaxseed oil. This is a great option if you want to enjoy the benefits of flaxseed's omega-3s, but don't love the texture of the ground meal. You can add it to salad dressings, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or even take a spoonful straight up. If you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can try flaxseed meal in baking to add a healthy twist to muffins, cookies, and bread. Remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a tablespoon or two of flaxseed per day, and gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. Now, before you run off to stock up on all things flaxseed, let's cover a few important tips and precautions. Start slow and steady. Begin with a tablespoon or two per day, and slowly increase your intake over time. Storage is key. To keep your flaxseed fresh and prevent it from going rancid, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Hydration, hydration, hydration. Flaxseed is a fiber powerhouse, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help it move smoothly through your digestive system. While flaxseed is generally safe for most people, there are a few exceptions. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications, consult your doctor before adding flaxseed to your diet. Listen to your body. Everyone is different, so pay attention to how your body reacts to flaxseed. There you have it, the amazing power of flaxseed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. Don't forget to share your favorite ways to use flaxseed in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.